This is my process of turning a Clo 3D model into a pattern piece and then from there into a garment or something that you can actually make. So just starting off, I wanted to make a Daisy May style hat, but I've never made a hat before, so I bought a model off of a Clo 3D artist and used that as my base. This right here is the model that I bought on Closet or Closet. Shout out to this person right here. Once I downloaded the file, this is what it looked like. I pulled it into Clo. And from there, I made a few adjustments with the brim, making it a little bit shorter, and then also just increasing the overall size because I have a big head. But from that point forward, I didn't make too many more adjustments. I just added some seam allowance. This is the first model that I printed, and then I exported this exact pattern into a PDF. This is the said PDF, and then from here I have to print it somehow, and I brought it into Illustrator. All the patterns that I make, I print them at home and put them together myself. You could, send something like this to a local printer and have them do it for you, but this one is pretty simple. There's only 2 pages that it overlaps on. So this right here is basically what I'm working with. The idea is I'm gonna cut a line diagonally across these dots right here and then line these two up. That will be exported into a PDF that looks something like this. Purely for demonstration purposes, I'll print out an old pattern and show you what I mean. Settings wise, you want to make sure that it's actual size. That's kind of important. And that's about it. Alright, from here I'm going to grab the pattern. All I need now are some scissors. And I like to use a larger packing tape. So this is the idea, is that these 2 dots right here are going to overlap. Alright, now I've snipped the corners of these and I'm just basically trying to make these into a full circle. All we have to do now is just cut it out and it'll turn into something like this. From there, it's pretty straightforward on constructing your garment, whatever it is. In my case, it's this hat. And of course, you're going to be making adjustments to your pattern and stuff and taking notes like along the way. But that's basically how I get from a Clo 3D model into an actual like printed pattern.